Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your BMW X5 remote key. First, gather all your keys, including any new ones you want to program. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This simple process usually takes just a few minutes, so let's get started right away. To begin, insert a working key into the ignition and turn it to position 1, where the dashboard lights come on but the engine doesn't start. Remove the key within 5 seconds. Now, press and hold the unlock button on the key while simultaneously pressing the lock button 3 times. After pressing the lock button 3 times, release both buttons on the key, then immediately press the unlock button once. For any additional keys you wish to program, repeat the exact same button sequence within 30 seconds. Your BMW X5 will confirm successful programming by locking and then unlocking its doors. Once you've programmed all your keys, test each one to ensure they properly lock and unlock your BMW X5's doors. If any key doesn't work, simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the start. Remember, this process programs the remote functions, not the engine immobilizer chip, which is a separate component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.